Facility study of the Horseheads Village Fire Department shows that the building is in need of significant repairs and improvements. The results of that facility study of the fire department was presented to the Horseheads Village Board of Trustees tonight, and the study was conducted by Hunt EAS. The study found that the fire department is in need of mostly structural and architectural repairs. However, some other components of the building are not up to current code and would need to be updated. Overall, the building is well maintained, but in need of system upgrades. If the Horseheads Village Board moved forward, it would cost roughly $8 million. In contrast, the cost of a new fire department building could cost between $9 and $14 million. Right now, the village is not taking any action as a result of that study. Mayor Kevin Adams says more information is needed before making any decisions. An upcoming facility study will also be performed on the village DPW building and pool.